What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Mando Outdoor Gear Reviews. Today I got an unboxing and not necessarily an install, but a setup of a product that I just got today. This isn't something that I was given or sent to me. This is something I purchased with my own money. I wanted this because it actually pairs up with one of my camping accessories. One of the camping accessories that I did recently get was a table by Novsight from their Rove line. And it is a small table that adjusts height-wise. It has slats. If you guys are familiar with it, you'll understand it's what they call an IGT table. So what I got today is an IGT accessory. It is not from Novsight. This is from another company. It is a company that I have worked with before. And again, I purchased this. They did not send this to me. So let's go ahead and get into it, and I'll show you what it is. All right, so what we have here is the Naturehike IGT charcoal grill accessory. Now, I'm excited about this because this is something that when I found out about IGT tables that I wanted to have. I don't cook on wood or charcoal when I'm out camping because I have so many things to bring with me, my Blackstone, my burners, my water boiler, things like that. I like to cook. When I got this table and I learned about IGT tables, I was like, this is something that I have to have because it gives me another option to cook, different things. Like you can't go camping without having a crispy, burnt, charcoal burnt hot dog. Like I love burnt hot dogs. So this is something that I'm going to enjoy. Having a wood fired or charcoal grilled steak, this is something else that's going to happen, or burger, chicken, anything. So this just gives me another option to have when I'm out camping and cooking. So let's go ahead and open it up. And this is the first time I'm using this knife. This was a gift given to me for Father's Day. I'm super excited about it. This is the Winkler knife. This is the Highland Hunter with my cool ass Tangdangler lanyard. I don't think it's gonna focus in on that. Probably not, but yeah. All right, and I will set up the table so you can see it set up. All right, so we got instructions. And one other thing I love about this, it is a flat pack item. So it does not take up space. All right. So we got the camping bag, or excuse me, the carrying bag. Not a bad set of tongs. It comes with its own tongs. And yeah, those are actually pretty decent. They're not flimsy. And it's another set of tongs, and I'm gonna guess this is, not a fan of these too much, but probably to move charcoal around. All right. And here we go. Now the cool thing about this is this sets up super easy. I'm hoping I can get it right on the first try because this is the first time that I am setting this up. So I'm going to look in the instructions beforehand. I ain't going to be a man today about it. And I got to do a QR code. I can't do that right now. So there's your top. And if I'm correct, you're supposed to just there you have it. That's it. Put your grate on top. You have your carrying handles, and you have a cool charcoal grill. I'm excited about this. Let's go ahead and set up this table. All right. So with this table, since it has slats, you can take them out, you can add other accessories, or you can just keep it as a coffee table or a table. What I like about it, it is height adjustable. And my plan with it is to keep it as a coffee table, have my chairs next to it, so if I want to cook, I'm able to cook right then and there. So let me go ahead and move this camera, and we'll get a little aerial shot of it, and we'll take a look at it. All right, as you can see it here, a little carrying case. Again, this is the Novsight Rove camping table, and this is the Naturehike charcoal grill. I'm super excited about this. Again, like I said, this is something that I wanted when I got this table. You know, have your chairs here. You can grill a hot dog, grill a burger. You got a place to put your food down, put a cup. You know, I have more. I can put my water boiler here to be able to boil water. It's an awesome thing. I like the quality of it. It's all stainless steel. It feels very durable. It does not feel very flimsy at all. And the fact that I can flat pack it and put it anywhere is what I'm looking at. And I can greatly appreciate that. All of this, you know, packs up into a bag, and less space and clutter in my vehicle when I'm out camping. Hopefully, I will be able to get out sometime this week and be able to use this and show you what it can do. But I don't see any issues with it as far as cooking. It has a ton of airflow, as you can see on the sides, in the back and front. It also has a tray on the inside that when your charcoal burns down, the ashes can fall through. It also allows air to come up from under it to burn, to get more of efficient burning for the charcoal. And this is just perfect. I mean, I can easily, that's one hand, two hands, you know, a steak as big as my hand, two of them on there. That's perfect for me and the wife when we go out camping. Hot dog wise, I can probably get about a good 8 to 10 hot dogs on there, so I'm able to at least cook for a few people. So yeah, I'll post a link down below for the table as well as the Naturehike IGT charcoal grill. So if you're interested in it, please click on that link. It is an affiliate link, so I do receive a commission um, if you were to purchase the Naturehike grill. The Novsight is not an affiliate. I'm not affiliated with them whatsoever. So it's just a link just to be able to get you to their site to purchase it. So yeah, this is what I got for you today. I appreciate you guys watching. Please stick around for more content. Please like, follow, comment, and subscribe. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and of course here on YouTube. So again, thank you again, and we'll catch you on the next one.